this tutorial I'm going to look into the use of planes in modelling and their incorporation into the use in Excel, as like in the last tutorial. Planes can be very simple feature to use, and they're also very efficient in the production of drawings. Different planes can be set up for different levels. Extrusions occur between different planes and generally make the whole assembly process of a part much more efficient. So I'm just going to first now open a part like before in the last tutorials, and create a rectangle just to represent any shape at all. Due to the fact this kind of work was demonstrated in the previous tutorials, I'm just going to skip ahead here now with a few different points. First, I'm just going to set up a simple Excel sheet. I've one there done in length, width and height, the different specifications of each characteristic of the component, and I'm going to basically just import this into Inventor. So here you can see the parametrics are being linked to the Inventor drawing, and I'll use this now to create a part. Just as I've done in the previous tutorials, I'm going to dimension this rectangle. I'm using a rectangle mostly here just to simplify the whole approach to the tutorials. It also lends to better reception, I believe, by whoever's viewing the tutorial, making it easier. We'll just start off with simple shapes and we'll work our way up through the different tutorials as they come. If I just finish the sketch there now, I'm going to create a plane now next. So I need to go to the origin, I need to turn on the XY plane there. I'm going to basically create it from the existing level that the sketch is on. So just click plane, click the XY plane, and just simply drag and drop. I'm just going to go into my parameters now. So I'm going to click my height. But due to the fact that the actual height is below the XY plane, I'm going to go minus height. So I'm just going into that here, and as you can see, the plane went below the XY plane. I can now extrude this block, but instead of going from a distance, I'm going to go from and to. So I'm going to click either one of the planes. It doesn't make any difference which plane you click first either. It's going to go from and to the two planes that you select. So if I OK to that, I can turn off the visibility of my planes. Now just in the Excel sheet here, I've just updated it a small little bit. So now I can update the parameters in the actual Inventor drawing. So just as before, manage and update. And this can be edited to many different specifications. For example, all I've incorporated here now is just 4 planes. I can build them on top of one another like in a stack feature. You can have planes at different locations and axes. You can have YZ plane, XZ plane and XY plane as we used in this tutorial. It's just a very basic feature, but it's a feature that's inherent to the use of skeletal modelling. And the next tutorial I'll be demonstrating planes that are parametrically driven with parametric coordinates inside in an actual piece of furniture. This will be very relevant now to the woodworking industry, since these planes can be easily adapted, as in the first tutorial, making the whole assembly process, visualization of different models and different specifications an awful lot more easy to basically imagine and to foresee before the product's even made.